Welcome back to Bigs and Hobbies. If you are new to my channel, a big welcome. Here you'll find RC reviews, upgrades and mods, and run videos related to RCs. So if you want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe. Today I'm going to talk about my latest addition to my RC stable, and it's a hardbody. I've been eyeing a Camel Trophy build lately, so when a friend was selling this at Proline By The Fire, I grabbed it without any hesitation. It's well used and it needs lots of loving touches, but I love the paint job on it. It's much better than what I can do. This is fundamentally RC4WD drive Gelande 2 with 2015 Land Rover Defender D90 body set, autography limited edition. It's now going through a major overhaul, as you can see here. I'm addressing the things that needs to be fixed and upgraded. In doing so, I found three 3D print mods and upgrades that improves the overall usability and the look that I wanted to share with you. I'll make sure to have the links to the 3D print mods in the description, so make sure to go check them out. Number 1. A battery relocation tray by Revolution X on my mini factory. On D90, the battery is mounted behind the transfer case on the chassis. This means that you have to remove the body each time you want to change out the battery, and it can get a bit annoying, either fiddling around with the 4 screws or the 4 body clips. My friend Revolution X designed a battery tray that relocates the battery from the stock tray on the chassis to this tray on the firewall in the engine bay, which makes replacing the battery simple. Just pop up the hood and replace the battery, which will be mounted on the front. The install is simple as well. The battery tray mounts up to 2 existing screws that holds the dashboard. Take out the 2 screws and then reinstall the 2 screws back. The battery tray will allow you to use max battery size, about the size of a Z-Power 3000 mAh, which is roughly about 105mm to 36mm to 26mm, or 4.13 inches long and 1.41 inches wide and 1.02 inches with the height. So just make sure to check the size of the battery before going this route. For me, I plan to use a 2300 milliamp small battery, so I have plenty of space for the battery in the battery tray. By the way, Revolution X has a great YouTube channel, so make sure to go check him out. Number 2, inner fender for RC4WD drive Gelande 2 by JRUTI on Thingiverse. I find that on scale trail tracks, the inner fenders are a must. Surprisingly, the D90 with all the scale details does not come with one. RC4WD drive does sell a RC4WD drive inner fender set for D90 for $12, but it lacks an option. Nonetheless, I went and ordered one, but while I was searching online, I found an inner fender 3D option by JRUTI on Thingiverse. I printed it out to see the fit and the finish, and I'm liking it so much that I'll keep this over the Lexan option from the RC4WD drive. Number 3, alternative backseat mount for RC4WD drive Gelande 2 by Reactive Thing on Thingiverse. The original mount covers the whole rear of the truck bed, which removes the whole depth of the bed, and it does not look good. The seat mount attaches to the bottom of the rear seats and helps to gain the depth. I hope that you found the 3 3D print mods and upgrades discussed today: the battery relocation tray, the inner fenders, and the alternative backseat mount informative and useful. Please like and subscribe, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified of future videos. Thanks for watching Vics on Hobbies.